There is a free gym on the University of Colorado, Colorado Springs campus, the Ent Center for the Arts. It's a treasure. Let's go. The Ent Center for the Arts on the campus of UCCS has indoor and outdoor art that is free to the public. On the grounds of the center, there are 3 Starr Kempf pieces. Kempf was a local artist who created magnificent steel sculptures that gracefully move in the wind. His home in North Cheyenne Canyon was also his workshop and gallery. Following his death, many of his sculptures were relocated to other spots in Colorado Springs, including the 3 outside the Ent Center. The pieces are Metronome, Space Needle, and Serenade.
It's windy today, so you can see the sculpture moving, the 2 upper arms.
The Ent Center is in a lovely location with beautiful views of the Front Range and Pikes Peak. And that's just the outside. Now we'll head inside to the Marie Walsh Sharp Gallery. The gallery has changing exhibits, and right now through March 15th, 2025, Patrick Shearn's Psycullescence is on display. I hope I'm saying that right. Let's go. Patrick Shearn is the creative director of Poetic Kinetics, and he is known for his large-scale public art installations. His art has been at Coachella, Burning Man, and EDC, and he is the mastermind behind Liquid Shard in Los Angeles. Shearn's work is outstanding, and Colorado Springs is lucky to have some of his work on display right now. Don't miss this opportunity to check it out. It's free for the public to enjoy. The Ent Center has an art vending machine, which I love. So let's see, put 50 cents in, and let's see, what did I get? And this is what I got. The only way out is through, as they say, but they always forget to remind you to bring a machete and an extra sandwich, for it will take longer than you think. True, so true. Inside the center, you will also find Martha Russo's creative project, Phase Shift. Her art is made from wattles, stuffed tubes of plastic netting that is typically used in landscaping or construction to prevent erosion. According to Russo's brochure, she wanted to, quote, free the wattles from their normally earthbound fate and give them a whimsical lightness and movement. She definitely accomplished that. The exhibits at the Ent Center change regularly, so there's often something new to see. The indoor gallery has limited hours, which are Thursday through Saturday from 1 to 6 p.m., at least right now. It's best to check the website for any changes or closures. The Ent Center is a fantastic gem in Colorado Springs. Add it to your list. Thanks so much for watching. We would love for you to follow along on our journeys. So if this content is interesting to you, please hit subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.